It's time for Cheap Jeep Mods, take 2. If you do like the video of a couple ideas of nice, not real expensive parts you can get for your Jeep, I did another video called Cheap Jeep Mods. I'll try to put the link to that somewhere up on here to click on during the video. First thing we got, the brake light goes behind the spare. That little ring of the red LEDs. This one here is from Amazon. I'll put up the link. I was gonna go with the rugged ridge one out of the catalog and went online to get it, and the comments were horrible. People said it didn't fit, had really low stars, and I got sketched out. Number 2, little interior. This little guy, pretty cool, goes above your steering wheel. Extra storage, and it's real functional because it's right there where your wheel is. All you do is peel this tape. A lot of people recommended you put extra tape on it, one more layer. That's what I'm gonna do. Sits right on there, molded perfectly. Number 3, take it to the passenger side. This little thing right here, little cup, slides right in where that little handle is, makes it into a functioning little storage bin. Pretty cool. Number 4, the Shorty antenna. Get rid of that big nasty one right there. Put this one on. I'm not sure about this. We'll see. We'll see how it comes out and how it works and functions versus the stock antenna. Number 5, your cigarette lighter docking station. Check it out. It's lit up, but most importantly, it has a voltometer right there. So you can see the volts your car is putting out at all times. Kind of acts like a little voltmeter. And then last for this video, a set of these Wild Boar grab handles. Make it a lot easier to get up into now that the Jeep's been raised and it's got 35s on it. Now you can see the problem. The spare tire is so big, covers our third brake light. So we got the ring. It's gonna go right in here where you can see it through these holes. I like this ring. It has an enclosure around the LEDs, keeps them away from the weather. And look where that lines up with the holes. Perfect. Make sure you measure and you get a ring that's gonna fit where you want that light to be seen. This right here is an adapter to make that big old 35 fit. I've got that on my channel as well if you want a tutorial how to do that without changing all this. That easy. You've got your wire right here coming up to this light. You can tap right into that several different ways. One, you can take these access screws from the back off, tap into it inside of here. You can do it right here if you want. It'll be a little bit more exposed to the weather. Just make sure you rotate this to where the wire's on top. So I'm all about doing it right. So what I did was I take a T20, I'm taking off all this stuff so I can do my splicing inside of this nice weather-proof system. There we go. Take that wire out and I'll splice right in right there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this old wire, and I'm only gonna cut one at a time so I don't bridge them together and complete the electrical connection. Most would say disconnect your battery, obviously. And the other one I'm going to cut about 1 inch away so they don't connect again. Slide a heat shrink tube over that. Crimp. Crimp. Everything's tight. It's all wired up. It's starting to rain. I'm gonna go get the spare tire, put it on there. Let's check it out. Light them up. Yeah, perfect. Awesome. We'll skip on into the interior. Remember this little thing I was talking about right here? And then we're just going to take that. Simple as that. This part here, again, you take off the tape, and I'm strongly going to urge you get more tape, the same exact stuff, or you can find it in the automotive section like Walmart and all that. Peel that off and it fits right there. It is raining like a mother effer. It is raining. Woo! But we're gonna do this together. We're gonna keep doing it because we're quarantining. Woo! This unit right here, it's got your 3 sockets here. They're gonna light up with the blue LED. It also has the USB ports right here. And then you've got your reset switches on top. It does have a voltage meter on the plug. It comes with some 3M tape to mount it, but I'm gonna use some of that professional stuff that I showed you on that piece before. Put a couple lines. I'm gonna put this real nice and neat right on the side of that console. In the Jeep, I've got the heavy duty 3M tape already on it. She's already got multiple sockets sitting here for different stuff, and she can't use it all. Go ahead and plug in the new one there. Stuck it in that little thing. I put all of her crap. I don't know what she's got going on. She's got wires coming out everywhere. Test it out. There you go. We're at a perfect 12.0 volts. There's your antenna kit. Has 3 different hookups. Just gonna pop this one off right here, and I'll let you know immediately how it works. We live in the middle of freaking nowhere, so if it works here, it's gonna work at your house. There we go. It does. It uses the biggest adapter. Looks way better, but will it work? Let's go find out. Here we go at the radio. It's still freaking pouring. She's got her preset channels. Now they all worked with the old antenna, the factory one. That was real long and ugly. So let's go ahead and give her a shot.
We understand knowledge can change your life.
This is perfect, man. There were so many haters on there. They're exactly the same. There's so many haters. We live in the middle of nowhere. We've had a freaking black bear in our yard. Time for your wild boar handles. Check them out. You're gonna remove 2 bolts on each side of the Jeep. I'll show you where to later. And you'll take these spacers here. The longer spacer will go on the side, and the longer nut will go through the handle, through the spacer, into the Jeep. The shorter will go through the handle, top, through the spacer, into the Jeep. Just like that. And there is a driver's side and a passenger side. So see, this is obviously going to face toward the seat. So see how it has a nut stop inside of there? This would be the passenger side, because it's bigger on this side, smaller on that side. 1/2-inch bolts. There's one here, the 2 corner ones. I'm going to go to the side with the longer bolt. I'm going to start that screw. If you don't have it in there perfect and it's not going easy, don't force it. It'll ruin your thread. There she is. It's one side, and she's on there. Woo! She's tight. She's tight, Ma. Man, those are nice. They fit good. They look good too. I mean, you can about pull this thing over on these things. They are strong. Just wanted to remind you guys, there's a lot of other Jeep videos on here that I did. I did all the lift kit, the intake, the exhaust, the tires, all kinds of stuff. Light bars, winch, whatever. It's on the channel. Check it out if you're bored. And I've got a lot more stuff in the garage to put on it. Just wanted to throw that out there. Click that subscribe button, baby. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, make sure you check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Don't forget, there's all kinds of Jeep videos on there, as well as all kinds of other whatever, random stuff. Click it, check it, watch it. Let's do it. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.